Okay, so let's talk about stock market resources. These are some of the ones that I use, starting with Elliott Wave Options on YouTube, and that is Rob Roy right there. Stock Charts TV, that's Mary Ellen McGonigal, also known as MEM Edge. Gareth Soloway does a really good job on technical analysis. And Gareth is also on the Verified Investing YouTube channel with some other people. Here's Shadow Trader. This is Peter, and he has a new studio, which he likes very much. The Chart Guys, technical analysis, that's Dan the Man McDermott. Benjamin Cowan, he is a Bitcoin person. And I also follow Michael Pizzino and his brother Jason Pizzino for Bitcoin and crypto and the 4-year cycle. Market Misbehavior, Dave Keller, certified market technologist. That's technical analysis. Figuring Out Money with Michael Silva is a good website on YouTube. Also on YouTube is Investor Business Daily, and one of my favorite people to listen to is Mike Webster, a frequent guest on the IBD YouTube channel. John Clay is on YouTube with the SBX investing program and reviews many charts. Risk Reversal Media YouTube channel with Dan Nathan and Guy Adami, a couple of very entertaining guys. Daniel Pronk, he's in Canada, and instead of doing technical analysis, he does fundamental analysis. In fact, he wrote a book on fundamental analysis, which is available on Amazon. Daniel Pronk has a pay site at stockunlock.com that focuses on the fundamental analysis. Speaking of books, Jim Cramer also has a new book, How to Make Money in Any Market. David Lynn on YouTube does some interviews with some very interesting people. And another person who does interviews is Adam Taggart with Thoughtful Money. And I use Google Finance. I'll set up several watch lists. There's a lot of financial information on your favorite stocks and exchange-traded funds. I'm also a member at SeekingAlpha.com, and I like to click on Analysis, where I can read articles about many companies. I'm a retired physician, so I like to read articles about biotech stocks at SeekingAlpha.com. And I also subscribe to the ROTY Biotech community run by Jonathan Faison at Seeking Alpha. He's a very good leader of that group. I subscribe to TradingView, which is an amazing charting service. And here's an example of that. I'm using RSI and MACD indicators on this chart of Nuvation Bio. And I have 3 exponential moving averages on this price chart. StockCharts.com is another charting service with lots of information on the stock market. And of course, I also watch CNBC channel on television. So remember, you can make money in the stock market, but you also can lose money in the stock market. I'm not a financial advisor, so be sure to do your own research on any investment that you are interested in. Thanks for watching. This is Stephen Vig in San Antonio, Texas.